Finding partial sums. All right, let's start with number 63. All right, really quick. All right, we're starting at 10. Oops, that's a nasty sigma. Okay, we're starting at 10. That means we're plugging in 10 first, and the last number that we plug in is 100. Now, this does not mean that there's going to be 100 terms. In fact, there's only going to be 91 terms because we start at 10, we plug in 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way to 100. And that would be 91 starting at 10. So it's like counting 0, like starting at 0. And then we're gonna plug each of those numbers into 6n. Now what this means is that I'm gonna plug in 10 first. All right. And then I'm going to plug in 11, and then I'm going to plug in 12, and oh my goodness, yep, you guessed it. We're going to do this all the way to 100. Now that's crazy. That's cray. We're going to go 100 times 6. All right, and we're going to do that, and we're going to add them all together. Now, that's too long. Okay, now if you know, 6n is a rule for an arithmetic sequence. Okay, there's no constant that you're adding to it. That means the first term in this arithmetic sequence would be 0 because we plug in 0 and you get 0. Okay, but this problem right here starts us off at 60. Okay, that's going to be our first term right here. And then our last term is going to be 600. All right, so what will we get if we add up all those terms from 60 to 600? There's an arithmetic series formula. The sum of, what would this be, 91 terms? Because starting at 10, we would go to, 10, or 100 minus 10. That would be 90, but we have to count 10, so it would be 91 terms. So the sum of 91 terms would be 91 divided by 2. And then we would go 60, the first term, plus the last term. Now, that's a cute little formula that we learned earlier. I'm pretty sure I told you guys a story about Gauss and about his run-ins with his elementary school teacher. But anyways, let's add this number first. That's 660. And since I can't divide 91 by 2, but I can divide 660 by 2. Let's do our cross-canceling action, but let me write this out really clearly. So it'd be 660 over 1 times 91 over 2. Let's do our cross-canceling action. That would be 330. So I have to go 91 times 330. That's going to be our result, our answer. 91 times, okay, so we have 0, we get 3, 0, to 7, and we put a 2, then we're going to add 27 to 2, so it's going to be 29. And so our answer is going to be 0, 3, 0, 0, 3. There is your answer, 30,030. That's your answer for 63, and now let's take a look at 68.